Today, let's cook japchae. Japchae is a sweet potato starch noodles mix, assorted vegetables, meat and seasoned with sesame oil and soy sauce. I'll be making two types of japchae, the traditional japchae and the restaurant-style japchae. I will also teach you a tip on how to prevent it from spoiling easily. We'll be needing the following ingredients. Sweet potato starch noodles, meat, carrot, bell pepper, white onion, garlic, shiitake mushroom, sugar, sesame seeds, chives, egg, soy sauce, sesame oil. Slice the shiitake mushrooms. I already soaked this in hot water for 2 hours earlier. Seasoning sauce for meat and mushroom. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Garlic. Black pepper, sugar, Prepare and slice all the ingredients and marinate the beef and mushroom. Cut the white onion thinly, but not too thinly so it's not be mushy when you finally eat it. You can use 2 colors of bell peppers if you don't want or you're allergic to eggs. Carrot. If you're cooking for a large group of people, use chives or green onions instead of spinach to prevent it from early spoil. Let's cook the sweet potato starch noodles. Cook the sweet potato starch noodles for 5 minutes and drain. Let's now make the seasoning sauce for the sweet potato starch noodles. Soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and mix it all. This will help the noodles from sticking together. In a pan, put a little oil. Stir-fry all ingredients separately with pinch of salt. When the meat is about to be cooked, add the chives and mix it all together with all the other ingredients. Put a generous amount of sesame seeds. Let's cook the easy japchae recipe. Cut and slice all the ingredients. The ingredients are the same with the traditional japchae, but you just have to combine the meat and mushroom when marinating it. Black pepper, soy sauce, a half teaspoon sugar, sesame oil, garlic, While boiling the noodles, put a half tablespoon of soy sauce, a half teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix it all together to prevent the noodles from sticking together. A half tablespoon of soy sauce, a half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. First, cook the meat and mushroom. When the meat is finally cooked, add all the other ingredients.